Good morning, all. I am Mrs. Rushali Chaudhary, lecturer Praveen Patil, Polytechnic, Bhayindar. We are going to learn basic science chemistry for the semester 1. We already started with the third chapter. In a third chapter, we started with the plastic. What is a plastic? It is a polymer. What is a polymer? A chain of a monomer. How it is manufactured, how the chain is produced, that we are going to learn today. That is our course outcome. How the polymerization is take place. The name plastic, it's an organic material having high molecular mass which can be molded into different shape. Therefore, it is used in a various application. We are using mobile phone, electronics, electrical, in a household purpose. We are using the tiffin box, lunch box, plates that are made up of plastic. So it is plastic is able to convert into different shape and size in presence of heat and pressure and in presence of catalyst. That is the unique property of plastic. Without changing their chemical property, we are able to convert into different shape and size. It is having a good tensile strength, weight carrying capacity. It is available in a different shapes. So we are going to learn today how the plastic is manufactured. Plastic is a polymer which is having a high molecular mass. How this high molecular mass will obtain, that we are going to learn today. The process of getting plastic or making a high molecular mass is called as polymerization. What is a polymerization? What is a polymer? It is a chain of a monomer. What is the monomer? Small unit, single unit are called as monomers. These are the scattered small units are called as monomers, having a small chemical formula, small organic unit which containing carbon and hydrogen. These are the small unit when they are scattered. When they are scattered, they may be a liquid or a solid powdery form. But when these units join to form a long chain, that is called as polymer, and the process of forming this chain is called as polymerization. Monomer is a single unit while the polymerize is a chain of small units. Poly means many, mono means single unit. Poly means many monomers together. It's called as polymer. The process of joining or converting small, low molecular weight organic molecules into long, high molecular weight organic molecules by addition process or the condensation process in presence of temperature, pressure or the catalyst, it's called as polymerization. The process of joining monomers in presence of catalyst, pressure, temperature is called as polymerization. Polymerization takes place in two different ways. One is called as addition polymerization, condensation polymerization. If monomers are same, there is a addition. Same type of small monomers joining to form a long chain, that is called as addition polymerization. When different type of monomers join, it will form a network like structure, that is called as a condensation polymerization. Addition polymerization give you homopolymer or the linear chain structure, while the condensation polymerization give you copolymer or the network like structure. Today we are going to learn addition polymerization. Addition polymerization. In this type of polymerization, Polymer is formed by addition of small same monomers containing double bond or the triple bond without elimination of any water molecule or small unit. It's called as addition polymerization. See here, this is the ethylene molecule. One ethylene which is having carbon-carbon double bond. This is called as a double covalent bond. This is another ethylene molecule. This is the another ethylene molecule. But in presence of temperature, catalyst and pressure, this double bond breaks and they will form carbon-carbon single bond between these two monomers. And this link, these small units, these ethylene molecule get joined with each other to form a big long chain. That chain is called as polyethylene. Addition polymerization is possible when the monomers is having carbon-carbon double bond. It requires a double covalent bond. The reaction requires catalyst. By this reaction, no byproduct, no water, no HCl is formed. Only carbon-carbon bond get breaks. Linear chain polymer structure is formed. Addition polymerization. The main example, most easy example is formation of polyethylene, that is formed from ethylene molecule, ethylene monomers. That reaction is called as free radical chain reaction. See, this is your monomers which is having a double bond. When in presence of catalyst and temperature, this double bond between carbon-carbon breaks. And what will happen? The active free radical carbon is formed. Both will form one single bond with another ethylene monomers and polymer will form. Here we will observe the free radical addition polymerization of ethylene. This is a single atom of single monomer of ethylene, CH2CH2. There is a double bond between carbon and carbon, double covalent bond. At 200 degrees Celsius, 2000 atmospheric pressure, and the catalyst is oxygen O2 peroxide. The double bond get breaks and they will form a link of ethylene molecules, that is called as polyethylene. This will take place in a stepwise process. This is the propene. When it is undergoes polymerization, it is form a polypropylene. The mechanism, here we can see that one unit, one single monomer is present here having a double bond. Double bond get breaks. This carbon is having a free radical. One free electron is present. Here also we will observe that another monomer having a double bond. These both are get attached with each other as they are having single free radical. The chain of two monomer called as dimer. Third monomers are get attached here forming one active electron. The free radical will form. Chain is increases. It is called as a trimer. Another monomer get attached to the free radical. Double bond get breaks. Radical is goes form a polymer. Likewise, when the polymerization it takes place, here monomers is converted into the polymer. that is called as, if it is a ethylene group, their polymer is called as polyethylene. Here we will see that the vinyl chloride is present. So when it takes place polymerization, when the chain is formed, it is forming a chain of the polyvinyl chloride. Commercial name is PVC, polyvinyl chloride. Polystyrene is formed by the polymerization of styrene. Teflon is formed by the polymerization of tetrafluoroethylene. Tetrafluoroethylene polymerizes to form polytetrafluoroethylene, commercially called as Teflon. In this table we can observe ethene, this is the monomer, it is a polymer. Formation is called as polyethylene. Vinyl chloride, chemical formula, when the polymer is formed, double bond get breaks and it form a linkage, that is called as polyvinyl chloride. PVC, that is used for making the pipes, plastic pipes. Styrene, that is form a polystyrene. Propene, polypropylene. Tetrafluoroethylene, Teflon or polytetrafluoroethylene. So what will happen when polymerization take place? Monomers is attached to the suffix called as poly and it will form a polyethylene. If it is a monomer is ethylene, polymer is called as polyethylene. If it is monomer is propene, polymer is called as polypropylene. MCQ we are going to solve on this. Tetrafluoroethylene is the monomer of nylon 66, Teflon, PVC, polyethylene. Nylon 66, it is an example of condensation polymerization and here only one monomer is given, so condensation is not takes place. Teflon, what is the full form of Teflon? Polytetrafluoroethylene. So it is made up of tetrafluoroethylene. Answer is polymer is Teflon, monomer is tetrafluoroethylene. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, you can mail me. Thank you so much.